Actually, in Spain, I would say the amount of money that is dedicated to research and to development is really much lower than it should be, than is required. And then any means to provide money, it would be nice, but of course not to provide money anywhere with no criteria. I think the ambition has a very important components within the project, and possibly one of the most important is that the money is not given to anyone. You know, the problem in Spain, and suppose in many other places, is that when you have some amount of money for research, it's normally distributed with not a very critical and I want to say the other way. The money is given with some criteria of keeping everyone happy, not trying to really invest in those ideas that are considered better. I understand the ambition, possibly due to the fact that MIT is behind that, is because the selection or the money is dedicated with a very, let's say, fine defined criteria. And this is something that is very welcome. Otherwise, we could have the money spent some other ways, using our regular ways to do that, but possibly the benefit is not as good as can be imagined. Something else. Normally, if you see the statistics of the Spanish productivity, scientific productivity, you see that our level is more or less the one that corresponds according to the economical level, our ranking in the world. However, if you do the same statistic by looking at how many of those research projects and initiatives and publication has arrived into the society by means of industry or by means of clinical protocols, you discover that the position is much lower than that one that corresponds to our ranking within the countries in the world. It means that we are lacking of some mechanism or some ways to spend. I suppose that another conclusion. First, we have to invest more. Second, we have to invest better. And in order to invest better, one idea like that one of the Comunidad de Madrid, I think is really something to support.